Joshua AA. I have sufficient skill in warehouse operation and procurement management. I am taking this video to evaluate the skill council certificate. I have learned more about the warehouse, importance of transportation, marketing, retailing, and the relevance of international business and logistics. Our main subject warehouse management provides understanding about the types of warehouse, its operations, sense of location, equipment, usually to the marketing, material handling, and function areas, etc. Apart from that is it's a through knowledge about how the procure goods at the lowest price, economical way of purchasing. International business and logistics management is also for me to know about the international finance institutions. Well-tried organization and globalization, the significance of the logistics and SCM in the presence have been learned through this subject. This topics conveyed under multimodal transports helps me to know the pros and cons of various made infection of the system. Our main warehouse understanding about the types of warehouse is the operation, selection of location, equipments used, the material handling, functions, areas, etc.